Focus on the ATL.
Welcome back to Focus Atlanta. I know it's hard to believe, but ladies and gentlemen, it's tax season again. David Jackson is the CEO for the Center for Working Families.
The Center for Working Families is a nonprofit that works in the 5 neighborhoods around Turner Field. We work to help families move to work, get jobs that help them support their families, move to wealth, become banked and start to save money so we can create generational wealth, and start small business through entrepreneurship that can bring some economy back into this community.
Because United States income tax laws are considered to be complicated, many people seek outside assistance with taxes.
Many families go out and use these commercial tax filers that bring a lot of expense into the system. We at the Center do taxes for free.
The IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program offer free tax help for taxpayers who qualify.
We're part of the Atlanta Prosperity Campaign, and through the Atlanta Prosperity Campaign, volunteer tax filers all over the city come together to say, don't go to the for-profit or the real expensive tax filing spots, but come to your local community centers like the Center for Working Families and get your taxes done for free.
The VITA program offers free tax help to low to moderate income families.
A family with 4 or 5 kids, and if you've worked 2 or 3 jobs last year, we specialize in that. That's not really a complicated return. If you go to a for-profit filer, they'll call that a complicated return and charge you a lot of money. But for us, that's what we do. We want to help families. They earned it. We want to help them keep it.
59.2% of individual tax returns in 2007 were filed by paid preparers.
I went to a tax preparer, and I paid a lot of money to have my taxes done. Well, I got money, but I could have had more money if I had known about the Center for Working Families.
Tax laws change, especially this year. There are extra credits that you can get, and we want to make sure people get the maximum legal return they can, and we can help them do that here.
It was a great experience because all I had to do was come in to the friendly people at the Center for Working Families, fill out my forms, go back and have my taxes done, and keep my own money, all of my money.
Did you know that the IRS does not have any requirement for licensing of tax preparers?
Everyone that's helping file taxes at the Center for Working Family has been certified by the IRS, either through taking a training and passing a course or through the experience that they've already had. That can't be said about all of the other filers, the for-profit filers. In fact, next year the IRS is going to require them to have certification. We've got it now.
In addition to free tax return preparation assistance, most sites also offer free electronic filing.
In 2006, $500 million went to companies who charge people to file their taxes and get their tax return through a rapid anticipation loan. We've seen people pay as much as $400 or $500 to get that back, and easily more than an effective 50% interest rate on that money. When you come into the center, we do that for free. You're able to keep all of that money. We don't charge you separately for taxes, and through our partnership with the Credit Union of Atlanta, for a maximum of about $100, we can help people get that return through alternative rapid anticipation loan.
What I've seen about the commercials is it makes it seem as if you're not going to have to pay anything. But there's a trick. Once they get you in, they're going to charge you for everything. You're going to have to pay and pay and pay. So why not come here and get it done for free?
Trained community volunteers may help with special credits such as earned income tax credit, child tax credit, and credit for the elderly or disabled.
Well, the first thing they need is their W-2. We want to know how much you earned last year, because that's a big part of filing their taxes. Your Social Security card, because your Social Security number is a big part of it. And a driver's license or something else that shows where you currently live now.
Individuals taking advantage of the e-file program will receive their refunds in half the time compared to returns filed on paper, even faster when tax refunds are deposited directly into one's bank account.
When someone comes to the Center for Working Families to file their taxes, we make that filing electronically. And if everything gets accepted and it goes well, you can see your money back in 5 to 7 days if you have direct deposit, 10 to 14 days if it has to come out in the mail. When you go to for-profit filers, they'll tell you they want to give you a loan and help you get it in 1 or 2 days, but you're going to pay an enormous amount for that, and we want you to keep that money.
Do you remember about how long it was before you got your taxes back?
I would say 3 to 7 days.
The Atlanta Prosperity Campaign is spearheaded by the Atlanta Community Food Bank, and so we're partners with them and a number of other organizations that file taxes throughout the city. And then the City of Atlanta Credit Union, they are our partner to help people open savings accounts and checking accounts and get a refund anticipation loan if that's really what they want to have.
Come to the Center for Working Families. Get your taxes done free. Enjoy the experience. Use your money wisely. You can start a savings account for your children.
For more information about the Center for Working Families, visit www.tcwfi.org. And please stay tuned for more Focus Atlanta.